Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today just an interesting thing here. Have you ever come across some links in your watch collection, some spare links, and you have no idea what watch they belong to? Well, it happened to me. I've had these for a while, and I couldn't figure out what watch they were for. And I finally just found the watch in a box here in my collection of watches and figured out that this must be the watch that they belong to. And actually, I think I just lost my little, I had a split pin here somewhere too. Oh, there we go. Split pin with the links here. Actually, I think what happened is I bought this watch used, and then a little while later the guy I bought it from found the spare links and then mailed them to me. I opened the box a long time later, and I could not remember what watch the links belong to, but I'm going to say that these links belong to this watch right there. It looks like a perfect fit. So what I'm going to do is I bought a bunch of these little bags, plastic bags, and I'm going to label it so that I know what watch these links belong to. But actually I have another watch off to the side here, and I think these two watches have the same bracelet, so I'll show you that here in a second. Right after I make a note here. So there we go, I'll put my link in there. Hopefully I didn't write it on the table. And here's the other watch over here. So my Seiko 5 field watch looks to be the exact same bracelet here, so it's pretty neat. Yeah, I'm going to say that's the exact same bracelet. Hollow end link and everything. Be nice if it had a solid end link. So I have not spent much time with this watch yet. Drilled lugs. SKX style case, and I'm going to take that bracelet and I'll put it on. I have the 5KX with the rotating bezel as well. And then here's the Seiko 5 field watch again. So on that note, which one of these watches would you prefer? I like the dial on that one. Interesting. I like them both for different reasons. Anyway, just a quick little video here. Just curious if you guys have had the same problem with finding some links in your collection and wondering what the heck they're for. I was really excited yesterday when I found this. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. Like the video and leave a comment below. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.